Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see in the title below, today we'll be doing an edges tutorial. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like for you guys to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're coming from TikTok, just write it in the comment section below to say, hey, I'm coming from TikTok. I'll definitely let you guys comment, so just leave me a comment right there and share with your friends, okay? So before we get into this edges tutorial today, I'd like to say today is Emancipation Day. Today is the 1st of August and we're celebrating Emancipation Day here in Jamaica, right? Okay, so let's get into this edges tutorial. So first I use my brush to brush my edges down. Brush them out. Yes, brush them out. And I don't know if you can see, but my edges, they're looking clean. I don't know, this is not focusing. They're looking very clean. Why? Because every time I wash my face, I wash out the edge control that was there previously because I don't want it to be looking cakey or anything at all. So I just brush these out at first. With the brush, I brush them out. And then what I used to do my edges is the Assign wax. Yes, this is what I use. The Assign wax, hair wax. You can get it anywhere to purchase, or you can use any other form of edge control that holds your edges tightly. This is what holds my edges, so this is what I use. Okay, and I only use this one. Okay, so now that we brushed out the sides, what I'm going to do is to get a small amount, put it on the back of my hands because this is how I apply mine. I'll be using my mirror right here, so if you see me turning, that's the reason why. And I rub it in there, and I ensure to get all my edges in so it doesn't. Alright, so this is what we're doing. And we ensure that we get edge control in all the sides there. Then what I'm going to do is to use a comb to, you know, part my edges first before I brush them. So this is what I'm going to do. You're going to hold the comb and you're going to, yes, the first swipe is that one. And then I'm going to be doing bigger edges today because as you can see, I am trying to match the hair that I have in right now. So this is the reason why the swipes are so big. But this is it. Use the comb to, yes, second swipe, and then you just swipe the other side. Then we'll move on to this side. You comb. Use the comb to part the swipings because that's the only reason why you use the comb. And then yes. Damn. Okay, and then I'm going to use a brush now, and I'm going to brush it in to give it a smoother look. The brush is what makes it smooth. So you give it a smoother look. You use your finger to guide it, so it just looks as sleek as possible. So yes, yes. Yep. And that's it. That's exactly how I get this done every single day. And I do my edges every day because I like when you notice when you do your edges, your hair all of a sudden it just looks like it just freshly done. This is the reason why I do my edges every day. All right, so it can look sleek and nice. But that's it, guys. See the details, and it's just looking smooth. Okay, guys, until next time, see you. Thank you for watching. Bye.